Hello everyone, this is Shubhranshu Pandey. Today I am here with a medicinal plant which is a native and regional plant of Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, which its name is Portulaca grandiflora. It has high medicinal properties which I am going to discuss in this video. So today we are going to talk about Portulaca grandiflora. It's a medicinal plant and it's a regional plant of Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Its regional name is Rose Moss purslane. It has many common names including rose moss, 11 o'clock, Mexican rose, sun rose, rock rose and moss rose purslane. Hindi name is Nobachi ghas, Nonia or Nobachia. It comes from the family Portulaceae, which is a purslane family. Now we are going to talk about its physical character. Portulaca grandiflora is annual growing to 0.2 meter, which is 8 inches. It is a frost tender. It is in flower from June to July and the seeds ripen from July to August. The species is hermaphrodite, has both male and female organs, and is pollinated by insects. The plant is self-fertile, suitable for light is that sandy and medium is that loamy soils. Prefers well-drained soil and can grow in nutritionally poor soil. Suitable pH, acid, neutral and basic is that alkaline soils. It cannot grow in the shade. It prefers dry or moist soil. Prefer a rather dry poor soil in full sun, succeed in hot dry position and dislike wet soils. So now we are moving further and let's go to talk about its morphological characters. Portulaca grandiflora. It is a small, fast-growing annual plant growing to 30 cm tall. Its leaves are thick and fleshy, up to 2.5 cm long, arranged alternately or in small clusters. The flowers are 2.5 to 3 cm diameter with 5 petals variably red, orange, pink, white and yellow. The upright or ascending long shoots branches usually near the base, thus spreading 20 to 25 mm long and 2 to 3 mm wide leaves are almost or completely stalk shaped and taper towards the tip. The axillary have few to numerous whitish woolly hair which are usually shorter than the sheets. The compressed inflorescences are surrounded by 8 to 10 leaves. The large flowers reach a diameter of up to 4 cm. The 5 bright magenta colored petals are obovate and 15 to 26 mm long. Around the ovary with the 4 to 9 whitish scars are about 50 stamens, capsules and seeds are not visible. Now we will move further and talk about its nutritional value. Purslane is not only edible but also far more nutritious than many of the crops. 7 times the beta carotene of carrots, 6 times more vitamin E than spinach, 14 times more omega 3 fatty acids. Now we are going to talk about its biological source. The vast range of materials originated from living plant. Flavonoid, alkaloids, fatty acid, terpenoids, polysaccharides, vitamins, sterols, proteins and minerals are isolated from plant. Now further we are going to talk about the phytochemical constitution. Presence of high content of antioxidants is that vitamin A and C, alpha tocopherol, beta carotene and glutathione and omega 3 fatty acid, and it would healing and antimicrobial effect as well as its traditional use in the topical treatment of inflammatory conditions. Now we are further moving and going to talk about its medicinal uses. So in home remedies, purslane is also said to be a natural remedy for insomnia. Medicinal uses. It is used in the treatment of hepatitis, cirrhosis of liver with ascites, swelling and pain in the pharynx. The fresh juice of leaves and stems is applied externally as a lotion to snake and insect bites, burns, scalds and eczema.